What's for dinner? Cooking with the Cernas.
Hi! So today we're going to be making deep fried Oreos. I did a tester with these three. They look kind of a little crispy. Don't mind that. For this recipe we're going to need a sleeve of Oreos, pancake mix, and water and oil. So right now I have my oil heating over here, and I have 3 Oreos inside of our pancake mix getting coated with the pancake batter. And I'm going to drop them into the oil, and then I'm going to take them out, coat them again, and then put them off to the side. Repeat that with the rest of the sleeve. Hi! Now that we are done with our final batch of deep fried Oreos, they are still a little sizzly because they are still fresh and piping hot. We are going to place them onto a display tray and coat them in powdered sugar. Let's get on with that! Okay, so now that we have all of our Oreos placed onto our tray, we're going to coat them in powdered sugar. Okay, y'all, that's it for this video. Comment below if you've tried this tasty treat. Also, I hope y'all have an amazing day. Comment below if you think we should make any. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you think we should make any more fair-themed foods. Bye!